Hello everybody, and welcome back, guys. And today I feel so tired, but we still need to finish this chapter 16. So let's continue with the exercise 13, which is a very simple one. So yeah, there's like two spheres, and they're like transferring a charge Q. So they're basically transferring electrons. And yeah, the question is like, how many electrons will be transferred from one sphere to another? So just let's draw a simple representation of, so we have here our sphere A, and here we have our sphere B, and they're just identical. They have the same charge Q, okay, and therefore they're gonna be having the same force. And since they are identical, means they're gonna be rejecting each other. There is a distance between them of 24 centimeters. We have to convert this into meters. And at this problem, in this specific problem, they are giving us the magnitude of the force, because usually that's the question, right? That's actually in the unknown. But in this case, they're telling us, well, I'm gonna give you the magnitude, which is 17. Instead, the question is like, find Q, charge Q. Well, this is not exactly the question, but this part of it. First, we need to find Q, and then we're gonna find the amount of electrons. So we're gonna be using again the equation of the famous guy, Coulomb. And this is gonna be the Coulomb's constant, the product between the particle A and the charge of the particle B over the distance square. So we know that Coulomb's constant is 8.9 times 10 to the 9, and they both have the same charge. So this is our unknown square over the distance, which is 0.24 meters squares, and that's gonna be equals to what? To 17 millimeters is exactly times 10 to the minus 3. Sorry, I didn't mean millimeters. I meant millinewtons, and that's exactly 10 to the minus 3 newtons. And voila! Now we need to find Q. So this is basic algebra. So now we have the Q, which is the charge of each sphere, is 3.3 times 10 to the minus 7 coulombs. Okay, this is coulombs. But the question is, how many electrons are needed to have this amount of charge? Okay, so we know that one electron is 1.6, or one electron has 1.6 times to 10 to the minus 19 coulombs, right? Coulombs. So how many? What's the number of electrons? You know, like, what is the number of electrons that I need to make it to 3.3 times 10 to the minus 7? So that's basic algebra. And here you got the answer. Is 2 times 10 to the 12, basically, electrons. Yeah, I'm gonna put electrons. See you guys in the next video. Have fun. Good luck in your finals. Bye bye.